Hello, fellow young learners. My name is Eldora Corwin, and I'm 9 years old, just like many of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am embarking on an exciting adventure to explore the wonderful world of seasonal fruits. Are you excited? Let's jump right in. Strawberries. These juicy red berries are at their sweetest and most delicious during the springtime. They love the warm sunshine and cool breezes of spring, making them perfect for picnics and fruity snacks. Do you know any interesting facts about strawberries?
Seeds on the outside. Each strawberry has, on average, around 200 tiny seeds on its outer surface.
This giant juicy fruit is a favorite during the hot summer months. With its refreshing taste and high water content, it helps keep us cool and hydrated on sunny days. When you're at the grocery store or the farmer's market, and you're surrounded by all these juicy watermelons, how do you know which one is ripe and ready to enjoy? That's where the thump test comes in. Here's how it works. Gently tap the watermelon with your knuckles and listen closely. A ripe watermelon will produce a deep, hollow sound. So next time you're in the produce aisle, remember the thump test. It's a quick and easy way to ensure you're bringing home the tastiest watermelon possible. Happy thumping and happy munching.
Hi, I am an apple. I am crunchy. Sweet fruits are abundant in the fall. As the leaves change color and the air becomes crisp, I am ready to be picked from the trees and enjoyed in pies, crisps, and fresh-pressed apple juice.
Dad, is an apple a day keeps the doctor away?
The saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," originated in Wales in the 19th century. While eating an apple won't guarantee perfect health, it certainly contributes to a balanced diet and overall well-being.
The citrus fruits are a bright spot in the winter season. Packed with vitamin C, it helps keep us healthy during the cold months and add a burst of sunshine to our day. Can you guess what I am?
It's a good question. It is orange.
Hey there, water lovers. Did you know that I have a super cool talent? That's right, I can float. This is because I have a unique trait. My thick rind contains tiny pockets of air. These air pockets make me buoyant in water, allowing me to float gracefully on the surface. So next time you're enjoying a swim in the pool and you happen to have me with you, give it a little toss into the water. You'll see it bobbing up and down like a tiny buoy.
Watch as Eldora, a young scientist in the making, explores the world of buoyancy with a simple yet fascinating experiment. Join her as she discovers why an orange floats while an apple sinks, showcasing the wonders of science in everyday life.
Do some experimenting. Now, there's a seasonal fruit. This is for autumn, and orange is for winter. And the apparatus is the two bowls and the measuring scale and the jug. Measure the density of the orange. So we already turned it on and we measure the apple now, which is the autumn fruit. Measure the orange again. So orange is heavier, but apple is lighter. So we are gonna do an experiment that orange floats and apple does not float. Put the orange here, which is for it floats. And now we're gonna put the apple into the jug. you see, it doesn't float, it sinks. Do you know why it sinks? Because apple have flat something like the flat skin, and the orange have like a little tiny hole that has air, because apples sink because it is heavier than the water. Bye, scientists. See you next time. And if you want to, you can try this at home. Okay? See you next time. Bye.
Wow, learning about seasonal fruits was so much fun. Remember, each season brings its own delicious fruits to enjoy. So next time you visit the grocery store or farmer's market, look for fruits that are in season for the freshest and tastiest treats. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. Until next time, happy learning. Stay curious, stay fruity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us on more exciting learning adventures. Bye for now.
Hope you enjoy on our heartwarming journey as a mother and daughter duo come together to create a captivating video from start to finish. From setting up the equipment to filming every moment with joy and laughter, to the final touches of editing, watch as we collaborate seamlessly, weaving our bond into every frame.